Hey guys, I'm going to be doing some refrigerator pickles today. They take minutes to put together, but you have to let them sit for 5 days in the refrigerator. So that's going to be the hard part. So I wanted to start off, I have 5 of these little salad cucumbers. I did not want them to go bad, so I was like, well, you know, it's summertime, Memorial Day is next weekend, so these will be perfect for that little picnic I plan on having. So first off, what I want to do is it says to slice the cucumbers at 1/4 inch thick, so I'm actually going to use my quick slice to make this super easy. Showed this to you before, but never hurts to see it again because it is super awesome. And there you go. Perfectly sliced. So I'm going to fill up a jar with these. So we'll get all these in here. It'll take but a minute. So what are you guys doing today? Any big plans for the Sunday family get-togethers or anything? I'm planning on just doing some cooking, maybe catching up on some TV shows. That's always fun. You just give it a little rocking motion if you have a little tough time. Actually, these ones just might fill this jar, so that's pretty good. Pretty good eyeballing that. And one more. Yeah, I have a feeling these are going to be really good because I'm probably using, actually I am going to be using 5 cloves of garlic. I really like garlic. It does call for fresh dill. I did not have any, but I'm going to be using our all-purpose dill seasoning that we sell. It is good on everything. So there's that. So I actually already pre-mixed all my spices. There's some hot peppers or crushed red peppers, the dill I told you about, mustard seed, black peppercorns, and what else we got, and some celery seed. Like I said, I'll post the recipe in the comments so you can see. But I figure it's just as easy. Put it all in there. Done. So for the garlic, what I'm going to do is it says rough chop it. I was going to use my garlic press, but I didn't want it that fine. So I didn't know if you guys knew about this thing. This thing is awesome. It's a garlic slicer. And it also comes with the garlic peeler. So basically all you do is you take your clove of garlic, put it in the middle, just roll it a couple times. Comes out clean as a whistle. And I always like to chop off that little stem piece. I already did a couple, so, but like I said, I'm doing 5, but they're pretty good size. The recipe calls for 4 to 6, but I like garlic. Dropping it on the floor. There's that one. And it just pops right out. Whatever doesn't come out, you can just run it under the faucet, and it'll come right out. I didn't twist that one enough. There we go. Done. So, I'm going to do, clean that one off. Don't want that on there. So let me, smallest kitchen. So basically with the slicer, all you're really going to do is just load it up. I'm probably going to do, I don't know if you can see that, it's got 2 sides, it's got this thing in the middle. You put your garlic in and you just twist it and it just comes out in slices. So let me actually put them that way so they're not long. And you just fit it on there. Press down. There we go. Give it a twist. And when it goes all the way to the bottom, now you're done. And look at that. Little slices. So like I said, it says rough chop, so I'm just basically going to slice these up and then just run my knife through them real quick and drop them in. And also what I did is I did the brine a little bit earlier because it says that you need to have it at room temperature. So I figured Save some time. I'm sure you didn't want to see me boil water. Get those little guys out of there. So I'm just going to drop these in to my jar. Let's see that. Actually, I said I was going to chop them, but I guess I'm not because they're already in there. That's fine. They're thin enough. I don't think that'll be a problem. And I love garlic, so. And then basically, I am just taking the brine, and it is 2 cups of water, 1 cup of white vinegar. You can use cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of canning salt, and a ½ teaspoon of sugar. That's already in there. Got this cute little funnel. It's the only one I have, so let's hope I don't dump it all over the place. And then you just fill it until you get to the top of the cucumbers, because you want to leave a little space at the top of the jar. I think, get some off, let's dump it in there, why not? So like I said, you got to leave them in the refrigerator for a week, but every day I'll probably give it a little shake, and I will be eating these babies next weekend. Have you ever made these before? They're super good. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.